I'm going to show you how we can edit markers linked to appointments of the patients. So when we go to a patient, so we have a certain number of markers. The markers are listed here. I'm going to show you how to manage them. You go on the left side to diary settings. In the diary settings, you go to markers, and you can edit two kinds of markers. Marker like this. So I have a $sign. This means that if we click on that, it will be linked to the appointment, and we will know that the patients will need to pay. Or a telephone. This means that you need to call the patient. So we are going to work on these two first kind of markers. So we are going to go on the patient's appointment. I select this one. I take an appointment, and I can say call the patient, for example. Call the patient. So the secretary will see when she will see her appointments of the day that on this patient, we need to call the patient. This is for normal icons links to markers.